Good day. I am Vinod Bharja, leading the floor tiles division. Being part of the Ceramic China 2024 is a significant milestone for us. Joining in with 7 elite hosts, we are proud to contribute to an event that represents the zenith of Chinese ceramics industries. Mission this year is focused on inviting a record number of the Indian buyers to explore and agree with the premium offering of the Chinese ceramics industries. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to INIFER for this remarkable platform. We are filled with anticipation to make new connection. See you there.